Get innovative. No, what word did I say here? Innovative. Sorry. When they say
I don't mean to ruin momentum.
all of our iPhones, like lights, you know what I mean? And the one person sings in the middle like a TikTok. We have a confetti cannon. You can pick the song, This is like the stoplight job. Yes.
Know you love me. I know you care. You shot whenever, and I'll be there. You are my love. You are my heart. And we will never, ever, ever be apart.
Last Google search.
The definition of statistically significant for my friend's quiz. She had to
Alright, that's pretty good.
Scientific theory on which there is convergence for my quiz. Forms.office.com for my math office hours.
Mine's like the Hamas Gaza Israel, so it's like not.
At the end of the day, people like not want to be in videos, and I completely understand. There's some times where I don't know if I would want to be in my video myself. What's up, boss? How you doing, boss?
A border party?
Boiler room party. It's like a DJ's coming and like this.
Where?
Above the like, my place. No, you've been there.
They're having a party?
Here you are.
I'm right by you. So don't make the time. What is going on?
Penn State!
Yeah, baby.
With his song, telling my whole life.